Today I'm going to be doing a review on Fairywill Care toothbrush. Now this is an electric toothbrush and I'm just going to get straight into this review, by the way. I actually haven't used it yet, but I'm just about to go and brush my teeth and see how I feel about it. But first I just wanted to talk to you about my first impressions seeing this. Now I actually haven't even opened this yet, but they kindly reached out to me on Instagram and they asked me what colour, and I chose pink because it just seemed like the most exciting colours: black, white and pink, I think. And yeah, this just really excited me. I already have an electric toothbrush and it's literally just like an off and on button, but these have a smart timer, 5 optional modes, long standby period and fast sustained charge. And yeah, it just intrigued me, to be honest. You literally just pull it out the pack like that and it comes really nicely packaged, as you can see, in like individual boxes. So this is the main bit. There's 4 toothbrush heads and another 4 up here, so there's 8, and then you have the charger. It comes with a little case as well. I didn't even know that. How cute. I love that. I love the colour as well. So I've just opened it and it comes nicely packaged. So this is what it looks like. Obviously it has the massive on and off button. Has white, clean, sensitive, polish, massage, and the charge one at the end. Hopefully you can see that. Let me get one of the heads on it. These come nicely individually wrapped as well, so it's more hygienic, I guess. Oh, okay. I thought they were all going to be heads like this, but this one looks like this. I'm guessing it's like to floss in between your teeth and just get in. Wow, okay, that's cool. Okay, so you get one of those in each of the packets, so there's 2 of them. I'm guessing in the others. Let me just open the other box quick. They're giving me different colours as well. The brush heads, that was blue one there. Okay. So I don't know why, but there's just one in out of all of these. No. So I'm just gonna open this one like so. I think they come different patterns as well, like on the brush bristles. I'm just gonna pop this on now. Oh, interesting. Okay, so I literally just turned it on and it's on white straight away. Then it goes. Okay, I'm just slowly getting it. So when you just turn it on with the on button, it automatically goes onto white straight away. But then if you wanted a certain mode down the list, you just click it straight away. But if not, you just click on, brush your teeth like normal, and it'll be on white unless you want to change it. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Comes with a little leaflet inside as well. Oh, we can get a gold one. So this is the one that I've got, obviously. This is in black, and I know you can get it in white, but these look like other, these look like more advanced toothbrushes, if you like. So here is the charger. I'm guessing you can just literally pop this in like your iPhone charger, like standard USB, and then obviously this plugs in at the bottom, like so. But I'm gonna go ahead now and quickly brush my teeth and tell you my thoughts. So I'm in the bathroom now, as you can tell, and just wetting my toothbrush and using some toothpaste. I don't even know why I'm showing you this, just a bit of entertainment, to be honest. Oh. So as this brand reached out to me over on Instagram, let me just have a look at their price. So I've just typed in Fairywill Care over on Amazon. I can't find the exact one that's here, but there are pink ones on there. But they range from about £20-ish. At the doorbell. They range from about £20 upwards. So I will leave a link below to the website, well, Amazon, and then you can just choose which one you prefer.